Welcome back. Lisa Briggs with the Bruce Company answering your plant and garden questions. The number to call, we are going to bring it up right there. It's 608-270-9933. Looks like we have a call. It is Todd from Edgerton. What does Todd have to say?
Some water from my rain barrel. Is that rainwater still going to be good through the year?
It should be, Todd, as long as your rain barrel was nicely sealed and you didn't get any schmutz or leaves or stuff in it, it should be fine to use for your plants.
Okay, thank you much.
You're welcome.
Todd, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
You bet.
All right. Do we have any other callers? We do. We have a caller on line 2. Let's check in. Hello, you're on air.
I'm sorry, what?
What's your question?
I already had the question.
Oh, it's Todd again.
Hi,
hey,
Todd.
Todd.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Go ahead and hang up, Todd.
Thanks.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the plant?
This is a Stephanotis, and smell.
I could smell it as soon as you said it out.
Super fragrant,
Yeah.
yes. A lot of times in bridal bouquets, little flowers and pretty. It's on a hoop, so pretty for the holidays.
That's beautiful. Yeah, I feel like we don't see a lot of those during the holidays. A lot of poinsettias.
A lot of poinsettias.
Those
yes.
are very pretty.
Yep.
All right, we do have another call. This is Deb from Blue Mounds. Good afternoon, Deb. What's your question? Do we got Deb? Maybe it's this button. Let's try that one. How about that button? Deb, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
There we
there
go.
you go.
What's your question, Deb?
Okay, I have a Christmas cactus, and it's just kind of droopy, and it doesn't want to, I don't know, it's just really flimsy, like it's not really sturdy and strong. What's wrong with it?
You might want to make sure, Deb, that it gets a little bit more sun. Christmas cactus like really high light, but they do like darkness at this time of year to get the blooming going. Make sure you don't overwater. And I would just give it some more light. That's probably most of the issue.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for your question, Deb. Okay, we got Pat from Madison with a question. Let's see if I'm pushing the right button this time. Pat, can you hear us? Pat, are you there? Oh, line 3. Let's try that one.
Okay, when we have heavy snow, are you supposed to take the snow off of your shrubbery in the front of your house? This is like, you know, you have bushes in front of your house. Are you supposed to take the heavy snow off of it or leave it on? If
it's starting to bow over, you can take a broom or a rake and gently sort of poke at the branches to knock the snow off. You don't want to rake it off. And right now, since we've had some mild weather, branches are pretty flexible, but as it gets colder, it gets a little bit trickier. So just be gentle with it and knock it off. The branches will recover from that load by spring.
Good question. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Lisa, thanks for your time. We appreciate it.
No problem.